Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Marissa Roots Undone, and thank you for coming back today. I feel like you guys should probably be saying welcome back to me because I've been gone for the longest. But yeah, welcome back to my channel, thanks for tuning in. And today I am back with a video that is so overdue. So as I go into this video, you'll kind of gain some insight into why this video is so overdue and I haven't filmed it for ages. But basically, this is my review on this Kinky Curly 360 lace front unit from OMG Her Hair. So here we have the box that the unit came in, and it was packaged really nice and neatly. And also in the box was an insert with all the other units that OMG Her Hair sell, as well as an elastic band to sew onto the wig to make it fit better, and a wig cap. So this is a 360 lace wig with a comb in the back, a comb on each side and a comb in the top as well to secure the wig to your head. The hairline also came pre-plucked, and it has a nice shape as well to it, as some wigs just have a straight hairline. It looks so unnatural, but this hairline has a nice natural shape to it as well. And now we have the hair after I have washed, conditioned and combed it out. My biggest pet peeve is curly hair that hasn't been combed out properly. When you have a curly wig or curly bundles and you wash and comb it through, the natural curl pattern really comes to life. Again, you can see the hairline and how it looks against my skin, and I believe I did go in and bleach the knots again, as I could still see a few. So I did get the hair in 18 inches long. I am 5 foot by the way, so 18 inches might look longer on me than it would on someone who's like 5'5". But yeah, this is 18 inches. So yeah, I did order the hair or purchase the hair back in September 2018 for my 21st birthday, as I was going on holiday. And you know, when you're going on holiday, you just need like some wavy, curly, kinky hair, because curly hair on holiday is just a vibe. So I went online. I decided to purchase from an actual hair company for once instead of AliExpress, just because I felt like I would get a better quality product, I guess. And I must say, for the most part, this wig did please me. I was looking for a unit that was quite low maintenance, because I did want a unit that kind of mimicked my actual curl pattern, which is tighter. But on holiday, who's got time to be dealing with like kinky curly hair? Like, nobody's got time for that. So I went with a unit that was a bit looser, and initially the unit is looser than I was expecting it to be, but it still has a really nice natural curl pattern. So in the end, I didn't mind at all. The hair is really easy to maintain. At first, it took me a while to find products that would work, and I found that this hair would just soak up anything that I put on it. But I started using a product that had quite a lot of silicones in it, products that are quite heavy and just weigh the hair down. And I found that this really helped to define the curls and add the shine, while also maintaining frizz and just not like, basically when the products that I was using in the beginning, the hair was just like and for curls that aren't that tight, I was just like, what's going on? But yeah, I ended up using a product that had quite a lot of silicones in it, so it was quite heavy and it weighed the hair down nicely. So this is what we have today. So yeah, the hair's really nice, the curl pattern's really nice, the hair's really easy to maintain, it's really easy to detangle, it doesn't really matte, it sheds, yes, as curly hair would, but it doesn't matte. The only place it does matte is in the back of the neck, but that's kind of expected. Most people get matting in that area anyway, whether you have curly hair, straight hair, body wave, whatever. It's just where I have friction between my hair and my neck, and scarves and coats and clothing, etc. But apart from that, the hair is a dream. So the cons, which is why I don't wear the unit a lot, so I might as well just show you. So this is why I don't wear the unit a lot. Ignore the fact that like the glue and everything is a bit crusty. I've had this unit on for a few days now and taken it off today. But the lace front unit folds so badly. I have actually recently like recut the hairline and tried to re-customize it to fix it, and it is better, believe it or not. But yeah, sometimes I will do kind of like baby hairs and stuff to try and hide the hairline, but the hairline's just trash basically. It's just, I don't know, I don't want to say it's the company's fault, because it could be down to me, it could be how I customize the hairline, how I've maintained the wig. But in my experience with my straight wig, for example, the hairline on that is a dream. I haven't had any problems, so I'm not sure. Yeah, but I just don't feel comfortable wearing this wig. I feel like, how can I have real edges and I'm walking around with no edges, or no fake edges? Like, that doesn't even make sense. I'm so paranoid that whenever the wind blows and you just see, like, it just looks, yeah, it's just, you guys can see for yourselves. Yeah, like I said, if I really do want to wear the unit, I would usually do like some swoops and stuff. Obviously I haven't today, so that I can show you guys the actual severity of the situation. But yeah, I just don't really feel comfortable wearing this unit, which is why I don't wear it a lot, which is why it's taken me so long to get this video out to you. But yeah, in terms of the hair itself, like I said, the hair is so nice, such good quality. When I was on holiday, the hair held up really nicely. I was in like the sea, I got knocked over by a wave and the wig stayed on, luckily. I was in the pool, like in chlorine. I was partying because it was a party holiday, and the hair stayed up really nice. So the hair itself, I couldn't fault it. It's just the actual lace. But yeah, I will leave all the introduction, what am I talking about? I will leave all the information about the hair in the description box below. If you want to go ahead and order the hair, by all means, go ahead. Like I said, I kind of feel like it's partly to do with the lace and partly to do with me. If I went to an actual stylist and I had the lace front kind of like customized to my hair and everything properly, I feel like I may be in a better situation right now. But yeah, just be careful, I guess. But the hair is so nice, it's just a shame that, for me personally, that I've had this situation with the actual lace front balding. Yeah, that's all really. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon.